My buddy Dave's driving it. He's got a bunch of tractors too. I thought I'd let him drive it and see how he likes it. Yeah, he liked it. He liked it. Yeah, she's a sweet one. I think my son will fit this pretty good. My son's very short and short-legged. I think he'll really like it. There, I think maybe he found third or fourth. This is 5 forward speeds. What are you in? What gear? Pretty good one. Must have been third at least. He said this is 5. I looked online and found the pattern last night, but I can't remember where 5th is. Right. Let's see, 1st and 2nd on these. I think 1st is here, 2nd here, but then 5th is somewhere different. It doesn't go in order like you would think, you know? First? Oh, really? It's a cutie. It is a cutie.